I'm going to explain to you what is CoinMarketCap Diamond, how you can earn free CoinMarketCap Diamond, as well as practically show you step-by-step process on how you can use your free CoinMarketCap Diamond to buy NFT all for free. So if this is what will interest you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about cryptocurrency, entrepreneurship, and how to make money on the internet. So what is CoinMarketCap Diamond? CoinMarketCap Diamond is a loyalty reward points that you earn for completing various tasks on the CoinMarketCap website. So now that we know what the diamond is all about, how can we now earn this free diamond? So you earn this free diamond by first signing up to CoinMarketCap website. You log in. By daily logging into that website, you claim your free diamond on daily basis. You can also earn free diamond extra aside from logging in by joining crypto airdrop on CoinMarketCap. And I've made a detailed video explaining to you step-by-step process on how you can join free crypto airdrop so that you can earn free cryptocurrency. So you need to go watch that video. In that video, I also show you step-by-step process on how to join and how you can also collect your diamond. So now I know that there are a lot of people that already have their diamond, but they don't know how to use it to buy NFT and make money from it. So that is the main reason why I am even creating this video. So let's go to the practical aspect of the video. Alright, you are welcome to the practical aspect of this video, but before we go into detail, I want to give a shout out to Open Living. Thank you so much for constantly engaging with my content right here on this channel, and as well as specifically asking this question on how we can use our CoinMarketCap Diamond to buy free NFT. Alright, so right here on my, I'm using my phone, so I will click on, I'll just go to the CoinMarketCap website, and the link is in the description of this video, as well as the video I mentioned earlier. The link is in the description. So I will just scroll down and come to diamond. So when I click on diamond, it will take me to my diamond. So right here, this is the diamond I have. I've already used some to buy NFT. So the next thing you need to do is click on reward right here. When you click on reward, you will see the NFTs that are listed on CoinMarketCap, so that you will be able to use your diamond to buy, and you will see the amounts to buy. As you can see, all this one is showing sold out. Like this one is 1,500 coin, and there are some that with 100 diamond you can use it to buy. So all you need to do is to just click on this hide sold out, so that all the one that has already been sold out will be hidden, and you will see the ones that are free for you to buy currently. So as I click on hide sold out, like you can see, this one needs 50,000 diamond, while this one is 300 diamond. This one is 300. You scroll, like this one is 100 diamond. So let me practically show you this one that is 100 diamond. So all I need to do is to click on this particular one, and it will ask me for ERC115 address. So how do you get your ERC115 address? All you need to do, let me just go out. You need to download this particular app. Let me go to my crypto app, this engine wallet, and this engine wallet is what you are going to use to get your ERC1155 address. And for you to sign up with this, you just need to just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to download it. And as for me, I connect my engine wallet to my MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is also a website that is used for NFT. Please, if you want me to do a detailed video explaining to you about all about NFT Web 3.0 and how you can make money from that, I want you to kindly comment NFT Web 3.0 so that I would make a detailed video explaining to you that. But now we are talking about NFT and CoinMarketCap Diamond. So I use my 12 keywords. I connect the two of them. I use the one for MetaMask to sign up for engine wallet, so that all the two things can just go vice versa, but you can totally decide to do it separately and sign up. So when I click on this engine, all I need to do is I will click. By the time this, I can pick either this engine or this Ether. Both of them are my ERC1155 address. So I will click on this engine right here. So when I click, I will now click on this receive phone. So when I click on receive phone, I'll copy this address. When I copy this address, am I too fast? When I copy this address, I would go back to the website, and then right here I will paste the address. Okay, I will just paste right here, and I'll click on redeem. Okay, and it has already, you have redeemed this avatar. All right, so I can just click view avatar to view it. Okay, I can view it, and it will not appear until some it will take 7 days, while some it might take even up to 20 days for it to appear. So this video is already too lengthy. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can now list it for sale and people will buy, so that you earn money, you earn your crypto, or mostly is in Polygon or in Ethereum. So please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like. If you want me to do a detailed video explaining to you about NFT and Web 3.0, kindly comment NFT Web 3.0, because there's a lot that is happening and I have been doing a lot of research. But the video, I want to see if really there are people that are interested in it, so that I will make this video, okay? And again, I'm going to do the video. If you want me to just personally reply to your comments and give you the link to the next video that I will do explaining to you or showing you practically step by step on how you can now sell your NFT on MetaMask or any other places that I use, please also drop a comment and let me know, so that I will personally remind you with the link to that video in the comment section of my video. Thank you so much for all the love, for all the concern, the care, the likes, the share, the subscribe. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you'll be learning a lot about business, entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, cryptocurrency, and much more. Until I come here again in my next video, do have a nice day. Bye.